Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're about to hit the road, exploring new cities, chasing sunsets, or capturing those spontaneous travel moments, then you've landed in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 5 best travel cameras from ultra-compact, carry-everywhere models to rugged beasts built for adventure. If you want to see updated prices and more details about these products, be sure to check the links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. MiTwoo S850 Travel Camera. This compact 4K 1080p pocket action camcorder is all about convenience and creativity. It's small enough to slip into your pocket, yet powerful enough to shoot breathtaking footage wherever you go. Whether you're exploring mountains, cycling through trails, or diving underwater, this camera is ready to go with you. Its waterproof case makes it an excellent choice for outdoor and sports enthusiasts who never want to miss a single frame, even in wet or rugged conditions. One of the standout features of the S850 is its 270-degree rotatable design, allowing you to shoot from multiple angles with ease. You can flip it around for selfies, high-angle shots, or creative perspectives that would be impossible with a standard camera. The built-in Wi-Fi function gives you the freedom to download photos and videos directly to your device, making it effortless to share your adventures on social media or store them instantly. It's a perfect blend of portability and connectivity, which is rare to find in such a small device. The 1.3-inch HD LCD screen provides a clear and vibrant display for reviewing shots, while the full HD sensor captures crisp and colorful images. The camera's dual microphone setup, with both built-in and external lavalier mic options, ensures that your audio is just as sharp as your visuals. Whether you're recording an action vlog, travel diary, or sports footage, the MiTwoo S850 keeps your content sounding professional and clear. The ability to attach the camera to a helmet, bicycle, selfie stick, or bag gives you creative freedom to document any activity hands-free. Number 4. BOBLOV EIS Travel Camera. Capturing your world has never felt this effortless. The BOBLOV EIS travel camera transforms ordinary moments into cinematic memories with its dynamic 5K and 4K shooting modes. When you need crystal clear precision, the 5K resolution captures every detail with lifelike clarity. But if your adventure calls for movement, switch to the buttery smooth 4K at 60 frames per second for fluid, professional-grade motion. Whether you're exploring the city, documenting your travels, or creating quick social content, this compact powerhouse lets you record life exactly as it unfolds. Designed for modern creators, this pocket-sized marvel fits right into your daily routine. It's ideal for vloggers who crave convenience without compromise. Imagine filming an on-the-go travel diary, a behind-the-scenes setup, or an impromptu coffee chat all with one small, reliable device. The compact build makes it discreet yet powerful, ensuring you can always capture your thoughts and adventures without drawing attention. Sound matters just as much as visuals, and BOBLOV understands that. Thanks to the external mic support, your voice remains crisp, rich, and uninterrupted, even in noisy environments. From bustling streets to quiet meeting rooms, your audio stays professional, making this camera an excellent choice for vloggers, educators, and interviewers alike. One of its most exciting features is the 270-degree rotatable lens. Imagine easily switching from first-person view to selfie mode with a simple twist. No fumbling or awkward repositioning, just fluid transitions that give you total creative control. Whether you're narrating your travel journey or filming from a unique angle, this feature ensures every shot feels intentional and inspired. Number 3. ORDRO M5 Travel Camera. If you've ever dreamed of capturing your adventures, travels, or creative projects with professional flair in the palm of your hand, the ORDRO M5 travel camera is ready to make that dream real. This compact yet powerful handheld digital camcorder brings cinema-grade performance into a pocket-sized design, blending cutting-edge technology with effortless usability. With its sleek 56 by 45 by 157 mm body and lightweight 219-gram frame, it's built for creators who want to move freely without compromising on image quality. At its core, the M5 features an 8-megapixel Sony CMOS sensor paired with a bright f2.2 aperture lens. This combination captures crisp, vivid images even in challenging lighting conditions, ensuring your memories retain every nuance of color and texture. Whether you're shooting a scenic vista, a fast-paced vlog, or a detailed product clip, the 120-degree wide-angle view ensures nothing escapes the frame. From close-ups at 30 centimeters to infinite landscapes, this camera adjusts seamlessly to every scenario. When it comes to video, the ORDRO M5 is an absolute powerhouse. It supports an impressive range of resolutions, from ultra-sharp 5K at 30 fps to silky smooth 4K at 60 fps. You can even capture 1080p at 120 fps for stunning slow-motion sequences that bring your moments to life with breathtaking detail. The footage feels natural, fluid, and immersive, making every project from travel vlogs to short documentaries look professionally produced. Its 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen transforms navigation into an intuitive experience. You can easily preview, frame, and adjust settings on the fly, making it perfect for creators who value speed and control. The ODCam app further enhances its versatility by allowing wireless control and instant sharing, so your videos can go from lens to social media in seconds. Number 2. Sony A7C2 Travel Camera. Creativity meets freedom in one of the most exciting full-frame cameras ever made. The Sony A7C2 travel camera delivers the power of a professional system in a body small enough to slip into your travel bag. Designed for creators who crave cinematic visuals without bulk, this compact mirrorless camera combines portability with uncompromising performance. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes, detailed portraits, or moody night scenes, the A7C2 ensures your vision comes to life in stunning 4K resolution and vibrant, true-to-life colors. At its core lies a 33-megapixel full-frame XMR CMOS sensor that captures extraordinary depth, contrast, and tonal range. Every frame feels alive, brimming with detail and clarity even in challenging lighting. The dynamic range gives you control over highlights and shadows, while the advanced color science produces lifelike hues that make every image pop straight out of the camera. This makes it ideal for travel photographers, vloggers, and filmmakers who demand cinematic quality from a lightweight setup. Video performance on the A7C2 is equally impressive. It records in 4K with precision, offering cinematic sharpness and rich gradation, whether you're documenting wildlife, urban scenes, or creative storytelling projects. Sony's renowned image processing ensures smooth rendering and accurate detail retention even during fast motion, letting you capture fluid, professional-grade footage on the go. What truly elevates the A7C2 experience is its intelligent autofocus system. With lightning-fast subject tracking and reliable face and eye detection, it locks onto your subject instantly, keeping every shot perfectly in focus. Whether you're filming a moving subject, capturing a candid moment, or working in low light, this autofocus system delivers results that feel effortlessly professional. Number 1 and the winner is Fujifilm X106 Travel Camera. There's something truly magical about holding a camera that blends retro charm with cutting-edge power, and the Fujifilm X106 Travel Camera captures that feeling perfectly. This compact yet astonishingly capable digital camera stands as a bridge between classic photography aesthetics and modern imaging technology. Designed for creators who crave both style and substance, it brings 8K video, stunning 40.2 megapixel resolution, and multiple image stabilization technologies together in one sleek silver body that feels as good to hold as it is thrilling to shoot with. At the heart of the X106 lies the advanced X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, paired with the lightning-fast X-Processor 5 engine. Together, they deliver exceptional image quality, crisp detail, and dynamic range that rivals professional DSLRs. Every frame bursts with rich color tones and natural contrast, giving your photos that unmistakable Fujifilm look warm, nostalgic, and beautifully cinematic. Whether you're capturing the textures of an ancient street, the play of light across a landscape, or a quiet portrait in a CAF, this camera transforms everyday moments into art. The lens system remains one of the X100VI's most beloved features. With a fixed 23mm focal length, it mirrors the classic 35mm perspective that's perfect for storytelling, travel, and street photography. This focal length encourages creativity. It pushes you to engage with your subject, frame consciously, and think like a true photographer. The lens sharpness and clarity produce images that feel intimate and immersive, making it a favorite among professionals and enthusiasts alike. Video creators will be delighted too. The X106 doesn't just stop at 4K, it offers full 8K resolution video capture for breathtaking cinematic clarity. Whether you're producing travel documentaries, lifestyle vlogs, or visual art pieces, the level of detail and smoothness will astonish you. Combined with multiple layers of image stabilization, your handheld footage stays incredibly steady even when you're on the move or filming in less than ideal conditions. And that wraps up our tour of the top 5 travel cameras. I hope this helps you decide which gear will keep up with your journey, whether you're climbing mountains, roaming city streets, or simply capturing memories on the go. Thanks for watching, stay curious, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next one.